Hello guys, not feeling confident in ACCA FR or SBR? Studied a chapter before, but when you start revising it again, you feel like it's a completely new topic which you have never studied, right? Unable to recall the concepts which you have already studied, right? Not feeling that level of confidence. The grip is not there. Getting self-doubt whether I should book the exam or not, okay? Whether I will be able to pass the exams or not. So here I am, Vishal Jain, your faculty for ACCA FR and SBR, announcing the most exam-oriented crash course for ACCA FR and ACCA SBR. Now understand, the best part of this crash course is it caters to all the pain points. Point number one, what is your pain point? You are unable to recall the concepts. So what I have done is I have summarized all the concepts which I will help you in the revision in the most detailed manner, spending around 15 to 20 hours for FR and 15 to 20 hours for SBR. Plus, there are few important tricky adjustments where you get stuck upon. So this crash course will cater to those complex and the tricky adjustments. I will show which adjustments I am going to discuss. I will show it to you. Okay, let me show it. Let me first of all show adjustments. See here. For FR, you would have worried about research and development. Every time we get stuck on here, depreciation of revalued asset, we get stuck, right? Revenue recognition, input method, output method, onerous contract, current tax, deferred tax, refund of grant for asset, exchange gain loss, intra-group trading, dividend paid by subsidiary, disposal of subsidiary, group impairment loss, right? Computation of weighted average number of shares. So these are few complex adjustments for FR. Now, if I have to show it for SBR, see here. Lease remeasurement, lease modification, hedge accounting, discount voucher. There is one question on discount voucher, Kiki company. Okay. Now again, share based payments, deferred tax asset or deferred tax liability, funded defined benefit plan, ceiling adjustment, right? So there are few important adjustments where you guys stuck upon, right? So I will be discussing these adjustments along with one example on these adjustments, thereby helping you getting a grip on these adjustments. So first of all, the revision of the entire syllabus. Second, the discussion of these adjustments. Which will help you get the detailed conceptual clarity. Then comes discussion of questions. Okay. So now, first of all, let me talk from an FR perspective. Then I'll talk from an SBR perspective. Now, what are the questions which I will take in my FR crash course? So I'll show it to you. From a section A perspective, see, what I have done is I have made my own FR integrated question bank, which has the questions from section A, Kaplan, BPP, see BPP questions, Kaplan questions, Study Hub quiz questions, and Study Hub practice questions. So all the materials at one place. You are not required to hover around multiple materials. All the materials at one place. And the best questions from these I have identified as LDR, means last day revision questions. LDR questions I've highlighted, and I will be discussing these questions with you guys. Apart from this, if you have any other questions, a query, definitely you can come to me and we'll discuss those questions as well in the query sessions. Okay. Now, this is about section A. What about section B? For section B, similarly, I have already accumulated all the questions of BPP, Kaplan, Study Hub, and I'll be discussing the best questions out of that. So what about section C? I'll show it to you. Section C also, see, I have highlighted already the important questions from preparation. I've highlighted the questions from group FS. I've highlighted the questions from interpretation, right? Everything is already highlighted and we will be discussing these questions. And trust me guys, if you cover up these questions, nothing else is required more than that. Okay. Now, coming to FR crash course, first of all, it will be revisions, and the revisions will be live. Will start from 27th of October till 3rd of November, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. 3 hours per day will study for 5 to 6 days, and will wrap up the entire revisions. Then practice of section A, B, C, important adjustments, and 2 full-fledged mock test with evaluation sessions. So this is all about your FR crash course. The duration of this FR crash course, if you have to understand, will be somewhere in the range of 45 to 50 hours. Guys, only one request. Just give me your 45 to 50 hours and follow whatever I am saying in my crash course. Trust me guys, you will definitely clear in December 2025, but you have to, but only condition is you have to do each and everything which I will say in my class. Okay, you have to do each and everything, you have to appear each and every mock test, you have to solve each and every question which I will say in my crash course. Okay, now if you want to enroll, the link of enrollment is given in the description box, or you can contact my team. The contact details are also given in the description box. Now, coming to ACCA SBR crash course. Now, in ACCA SBR crash course, again, we will help you in the revision of the entire syllabus in 15 to 20 hours. Plus, tell me, there is one question that comes every time for 30 marks in your SBR for sure. That is group accounting, 30 marks for sure. So what I will do is I will discuss group accounting in depth. In-depth revision of group accounting, in-depth detailed revision of group accounting, along with I'll take up one sample question for group SOFP, one sample question for group P&L, and one sample question for group cash flow. So whichever type of question comes up in the exam, you are well prepared for the same. Then after that, we will be discussing important adjustments which I showed right now, right? Important adjustments I'll be discussing with you. Then practice of important questions. Sir, which questions we will discuss? I'll show it to you. So we will be discussing these questions in ACCA practice platform. Okay, we'll be discussing these questions. We'll be practicing these questions. So there are in total 32 questions, out of which I will be discussing in my live class around 20 to 25 questions. The rest questions you have to solve on your own and come to me for discussion with the queries. Because see, if every question I will solve, then what will you do? So I will solve around 20 to 25 questions with you guys. Rest you guys solve and come to me for queries. Then mock test, yes, so I will be conducting one full-fledged mock test with evaluation session and personalized evaluation as well. Okay, the evaluation report I will be sharing within 48 hours of the conduct of mock test. Okay, not immediate, so do not expect that I will share the evaluation report the same day. Not possible for me. I will take around 48 hours to send you the mock test report. Okay, so this is what is your SBR crash course. The duration of this SBR crash course will be somewhere in the range of 45 to 50 hours. And only request which I will have from you, the only request which I will have from you is give your 45 hours to me. Trust me for SBR, and follow each and everything that I say in my class. And trust me, December 25 will be your attempt. You will definitely clear the exam. Forget about clearing. You can score good marks or even a rank in your exams, provided you follow each and everything which I say in my class. Okay. Now, if you have to enroll in SBR crash course, you can enroll by the link in the description box, or you can contact our team for further details. The contact details are also given in the description box. Okay. If you want to reach out to me, you can definitely do that. I'll give my contact number here. +91 85840 12637. If you want to discuss anything specifically with me, you can definitely reach out to me as well. Okay, I believe I have announced all the details. If you need any further details about our FR or SBR crash course, do let me know in the comment box. Okay, and also let me know in the comment box whether you are appearing FR or SBR in December 2025. Okay, and if you need any other help from me for an FR or SBR perspective, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you guys. Bye bye.